Hello internet world, welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be talking to you about 3D printing, and yes, I have got back into doing a bit of 3D printing, more as a hobby, but I wanted to share this video with you because Polymaker very kindly sent me in a range of their filaments free of charge. A big thank you goes out to them. Now, no money changed hands, they weren't even expecting a video, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. Purely just want to share with you what I printed lately and also some of the filaments they sent in. Let's show you the filaments first and then I'll show you a couple of things I've been printing. So we've got some PLAs. This one here looks absolutely awesome, Starlight Aurora. We've also got Starlight Comet. We've got some wood here as well, and also Polyterra in an ash grey. So really nice range of different filaments. Also, if I just bring into shot these ones here, look at this. Let's just move these to one side. We also have got here a luminous rainbow, which looks very cool. Can't wait to try that out. We've also got Starlight Neptune. So there's quite a few of these Starlight ones. Look, we've got Starlight Neptune, Comet, Aurora, Meteor. So quite a few of those. Oh, another one here as well, which was in the video frame a bit earlier. So we've got Mercury as well. So this is a really nice range. Very cool sort of colours, almost like a glittery effect to them. And then we've also got here a teal colour. So this is more like a solid colour. And then we've also got here, I think this is another Polyterra. Yeah, so we've got Polyterra there in the pastel rainbow, and then we've also got it there in an ash grey. So I can't wait to try these out, but I want to just show you some of the things that I've been printing lately as well. So let's show you what I've been printing. So just a couple of things, one from actually a few months back. I didn't get a chance to show you this in an earlier video. These looked, when I downloaded them, they looked like they were like spherical, but in fact they're flat. So they're really easy to print. They still take quite a while, but they got a really nice effect to them. And these were printed to obviously hang on our Christmas tree. And I think they look absolutely awesome. And then another thing I printed was this, which is a GPU riser stand. And basically it prints in parts. Obviously this front part slots out so you can print different manufacturers sort of logos on it, and then this you screw out to the appropriate height. This collar here locks it down into place. This goes into the bottom of your PC case, and this allows you to tackle the issue of GPU or graphics card sag, because they are quite heavy, some of these new graphics cards. So this just props in the bottom of your case and supports the edge of the graphics card so it no longer sags. Really nice that it's height adjustable as well. And as I mentioned earlier, this all prints in parts, but the threaded mount, just look at how cool that threaded mount is. So very cool. And I've been really enjoying printing some things again on the 3D printer. I've been using the Bamboo Labs P1S, as I mentioned earlier. So really cool. A big thank you goes out to Polymaker for sending me all these awesome filaments. As I mentioned earlier, I can't wait to start printing with these, and really excited. I'll try in future videos to show you some more of the things that I've been printing. If you want to check out the Polymaker range for yourself, I've left a link down in the video description. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in another video very soon.